I will be using an iPad simulator. So I'll be using my mouse and cursor to be tapping on whatever it is that I would like to select. You obviously will be using your finger to tap on your device that you're recording your stats with. So just a quick overview. I have not started the first game of this match. So I just wanted to go over a few things. Our team name that we're recording stats for are called the Vikings. Our opponent, their name is the VB Aces. We are on this side of the court. Here's our net, and this is our opponent. Number 1 is in the serving position. She is highlighted in red. She's our setter. And you're going to see on the opponent's side of the net, as soon as I tap on the serve button, which will appear in a moment, their numbers are going to disappear and we're going to have some new buttons. So let's just get started. We have first serve, so I'm going to go ahead and start the game. And it is going to ask me if I'd like to put my libero in for number 4, and I'm going to say yes, I do. Now there's the serve button. As I mentioned, number 1 is our server, so I'm going to click on the serve button. Now the opponent's lineup, their jersey numbers disappear. And what I get instead is how did they return the ball to us? What was their last contact of the ball? So obviously, since we serve the ball, they're going to pass it, they're going to set it. We're not going to record that. We are just going to say, how did they get it back to us? So let's say they pass it, they set it. Let's say they do a middle attack. Now, number 17 is going to dig it for our team. All you have to do is tap on player number 17. You do not have to click on dig. It automatically defaults that number 17 dug the ball. It knows it came off of an attack, so it has to be a dig. It's not a pass. Say it goes to our setter, who sets the middle, and let's say it goes over the net and they dig it, and then let's say they send a free ball over to us. Now you can see the software knows, okay, we passed the ball. They sent us a free ball, they passed it. Let's say we didn't get it to our setter. We got it to 17, who sets number 3, and she kills the ball. So if we look at our stats, we're going to see that our player 17 has an assist. She's not our setter, but she does in fact get credited with the assist. Katie had 1 attempt. She didn't kill it. She didn't make an error, so just 1 attempt. And Heather, she had 1 attempt with a kill. Let's say we serve the ball again. Let's say they dig it, or they pass it, they set it, and they do a left side attack this time. Let's say we dig it and we set it, but we have a ball handling error. So we're just going to give a point to the other team. If we go on to the stats again, we're going to see that Jolyn has a ball handling error. All right, the other team's going to serve the ball to us. Number 7 is going to pass it. I have the pass rating feature turned on. I like to record how my team is passing. I also have it on automatic, which means that it will default to a 2. Or if she shanks it and I give a point to the other team, it will default to a 0. Let's just say that number 7 has a perfect pass. So I would then click on number 3, and it goes to the setter, and we're going to run a quick out of the middle, and we're going to get a point side out. Very simple. Volleyball ACE is so intuitive. It understands the flow of a volleyball game, and just we keep it really simple for you. It's as few number of taps as possible is what we are trying to accomplish here. So number 3 is now our server. We're going to click that she served the ball. Let's say that they pass it, they set it, they do a middle attack. Let's say number 2, I tap twice on her number. So if I undo that, number 3 served the ball, and they do a middle attack. They pass it, they set it, middle attack. I'm going to click twice on number 2. She blocks it for a point. The other thing I wanted to point out is I have that we're running a 5-1. As I mentioned before, number 1 is our setter. You can see here, number 3 is in the serving position, but I have her playing middle back. And number 15 is my right side. And so you're going to see the setter is going to transition to the right side of the court, and 15 is also going to go play right side. So as soon as I click on serve, you can see they're in their position, their defensive positions. So we serve the ball. Let's say that they do a left side attack. We dig it. We set it. Let's say they attack it. Now let's say we attack it. I'm sorry. So they dig the ball. Instead, say their setter has a ball handling error. We don't want to give ourselves a point right away because right now we're showing that we attacked the ball. If we gave ourselves a point, it would give number 17 a kill, when in fact it wouldn't be a kill. She just has an attack attempt. So we attacked it, they dig it, the setter has a ball handling error. So we're simply going to click on the freeze/error button, and that will show that it's not a kill for number 17. She will just be awarded an attack attempt, which in fact she does right there. So it really is that simple. Volleyball aces, you're tapping every time your team touches the ball, and then how did they send the ball back over? Did they block us? Did they do a back row attack? Did they free ball it to us? Or did they make an error, shank the ball, hitting error, anything like that? You're going to use this free ball error button. Did they do a right side attack, a middle attack, or a left side attack? And that is how you record a rally in Volleyball ACE. Look for more videos from Dimensional Software. Thank you.